Okay, hi, my dear teachers and friends. Today, I will share my homework about the two new sounds that I studied in this morning. There are s and z. The first one is s sound. 6. Self-cognition as person, transformation, surround themselves is necessary, express, progress oneself, such significant risks as pursuing aspiration, resources, introspection, solve something, so process, see, same, awareness, steps. The second time. 6. Self-cognition as person, transformation, surround themselves, necessary, express, progress oneself, such significance, risk as pursuing aspiration, resources, introspection, solve something, so process, see, same, awareness, steps. The second sound is z. Jazz, shackles, undergoes, barriers, cocoons, farms, cars, use, phrase, this, things, because, close, neighbors, friends, appears, resources, not resources, okay. Lose, these, criticized. The second time. Change, shackles, undergoes, barriers, cocoons, forms, causing, use, phrase, this, things, because, close, neighbors, friends, appears, resources, lose, these, criticized. Okay, thank you, my teachers and everyone, for listening to me. Thank you so much.